Okay, the other important topic in design and analysis of algorithm is asymptotic notation. Asymptotic. Simply, it is a mathematical way to describe the growth rate of an algorithm. Actually, this topic is coming from mathematics, so it is a mathematical way to describe the growth rate of the algorithm. So this or asymptotic notation means actually to it helps us, or we need to simple method to represent the time complexity that we write. Instead of write function just like previous one, we need to have the simple method to represent the time complexity, and it helps us to find out the class of the algorithm so anyone can understand simply. There are notations used to describe running time function. There are different notations. The first one is big O notation, big omega notation, and theta notation. Theta notations. And there are also different notations, but today we will concentrate on those three different notations.